Hello people, welcome to my screen and thank you for joining me. Now I'm back again on the screen to what to update you guys that how EURUSD has been pushing ever since I dropped the last video on EURUSD. Now as you can see, EURUSD has respected my prediction and is pointing to the upside just as I have said it in my previous video. You can doubt If you doubt me, go back, watch my previous video on EURUSD. You will see me talking about that. Now let's analyze EURUSD and look at the next level target on EURUSD again. But before I proceed with the chart analysis on EURUSD, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please smash that subscribe button right there. You have 5 seconds to do that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I believe you have smashed that subscribe button right there. So let's proceed with the chart analysis on Euro USD. Now, as we can see, Euro USD has been on a bullish run, for the past few months back, and you can see creating consecutive series of higher highs and higher lows, breaking structures and creating new highs, and also presently right now, as you can see that Euro USD is having a strong bullish momentum to the upside. The buyers are in control of this market right now. They are having a strong, healthy, bullish movement to the upside. Now, right here on my previous videos, right here, I made mention that at this level right here, at this minor level of resistance, if price can break above it, how we trigger the buy button to this major level of resistance right here. And just like I've said it, it happens that way, and Euro USD is what is pushing to the upside to this resistance level right here. So now nothing much. So now let's go back to the weekly time frame to see what is happening. Even on the weekly time frame, we can see that Euro USD is also pointing to the upside. So it's having a strong, healthy green candles pushing to the upside. And just as you can see, this week, as you can see, the weekly candle pushing up this week is giving us a strong sign of healthy candle that Euro USD is blasting to the upside. Is blasting to the upside. So we have seen what we need to see that on the weekly time frame, Euro USD is pushing to the upside with a very strong momentum. So now let's go back to the daily time frame right here. So on the daily time frame as well too, we can see that for this week, Euro USD has been buying ever since the market new week opened. Since on Monday, Euro USD has been buying to the upside. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame to analyze better. Now we have seen weekly time frame is bullish, daily is also bullish. So 4-hour is where we now come to look for the what? To look for the execution candles to jump in. Right here on my last videos right here, this was a minor level of resistance right here, and I say that when price hit this resistance, I said price need to retrace back to this level right here before jumping back up. Now I bring out the fib from this low right here down to the high, we can see that when price come to this level right here, it reacted on it and bounced off vigorously on this level right here, on this Fibonacci level. When price get there, it bounced off vigorously. It bounced off once off that level and bounced to the upside. Now, as I've said it happens. So I also say that in my last video that if I can see a 4-hour candle close, 4-hour candle break and close above this level like this, I am going to jump in on this trade and trigger a buy position to this major level of resistance right here. And this was my entry position right here after this 4-hour candle close right here. After the 4-hour candle close right here, this was what I did. Stop loss comes here like so. Stop loss comes like so. This is it. Stop loss comes here, and what? Presently as I speak right now, I am on this trade right here. I am definitely certain, I am sure that Euro USD is coming right here. Yes, Euro USD is coming right here. When price get here, I will take out the profit and hold again and hold on to see how Euro USD want to present itself. If Euro USD will give us a chart pattern reversal right here, if Euro USD will give us a chart pattern reversal right here and sell back down, or or the price will blast above this resistance level right here, break above it, break out, retest, and Euro USD will happen. I mean, we push to the upside. So anyone, whichever one Euro USD wants to do, it will present itself. It can't just do anything without telling us what it wants to do. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are on this trade right now, kudos to you. Kudos to you. In my previous videos, I said it that if 4-hour candle break and close above this level, just like I said it happens, and I jump in on that trade. I jump in on that trade. And I'm currently in profit right now, pushing Euro USD to this upside right here. So Euro USD right now is currently on a buy trade. Everyone should be eating from this profit right now on Euro USD. And the next level target on Euro USD is this major level of resistance. If this major level of resistance is cleared, ladies and gentlemen, Euro USD, I mean, what am I saying? I take that again. If Euro USD gets to this level right here and take out this major level of resistance right here, Euro USD we bounce off, we move, we push to this major level of liquidity right here. So now let's still go back to the daily time frame to look properly, to look at the left hand side properly. If I scroll back, just to see what is happening at the left hand side. Good. Now as you can see right now, we can see that this is the next level target on Euro USD. If Euro USD should bridge and close, if Euro USD should break and close above this resistance, above this major level of resistance right here, Euro USD will push right here. Ladies and gentlemen, if Euro USD can come to this major level of resistance, clear above it, Euro USD will push right here. So that is that on Euro USD. That is that on Euro USD. Euro USD is what? As it is now, you can see that Euro USD is pushing to the upside now. Euro USD is pushing to the upside. So let me adjust this thing properly. So that is that on Euro USD. If you watch this video to this very long, to this very end, I don't want this video to be too long. So let me make it short. So if you watch this video to this very end, please do smash the subscribe button right there. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.